Today we're going to learn how to find free assets in the Unreal Engine marketplace. So you're going to go up, pretty obvious, go to marketplace. I'll show you a few key things to get your free assets. And here we're going to search for weapons today. And on the right here, there's a couple filter options. You want to just hit free. And we're looking for the one called Infinity Blade Weapon. It's a free one to use, works with Unreal Engine 4 and 5. Look at this. So many weapons, variety of different things, some TF2 type weapons. And then you're going to want to go ahead and add to project, find your project, add to it. It's going to load and do its thing into the Unreal Engine project file. You don't have to close your file while this is loading in. Look at all those weapons, sheesh, and that's free. Alright, it's added to the project. In the content browser, click the little button here for the viewfinder. And then it should be right in there called Infinity Blade Weapons. And then you have a variety of weapons that you can use. I believe they are all static meshes. There is a way to convert them to skeletal meshes and vice versa. Oh, they're skeletal meshes. Okay, perfect. And then, yeah, so vice versa. You can switch them. Ooh, this one reminds me of RuneScape. And yeah, that'll do it. You have now found your free assets for the rest of these tutorials.